Okay, so we made a decision to go back. Can you say it in Japanese?
今日はちょっと姫島はやめます。風向きが、モロの真向かい向きなので、時間的にちょっと、ゴールまでの到達は無理と判断しました。残念ですが、しょうがないですね。This is the sea.
Yeah, so this is the real stuff, man. Like, if something happens out here, we can die. Because the closest island is 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers away. So if we flip here, it's over. So kayaking, the important thing is knowing when to turn around. And fortunately, Koji has a very good sense of weather and knows when to do things. So his best advice is to go back, which we're going to do. We're going to try again. We're 50% there, but we go back. So, sayonara. See you next time.
Sayonara.